Hi there, it's Krish here from Haymar Company Limited. I'm the International Account Manager and welcome to today's product spotlight. Today we're going to be talking about this item here, and it's the HF8R WORK Rechargeable Head Torch. This product is absolutely brilliant and will revolutionize the way that you work. So whether you are a professional or a student, this item will revolutionize the way that you work and will become your ultimate companion. So the HF8R WORK Rechargeable Head Torch is a robust flagship model for working in the dark over extended periods of time. There are 3 brightness levels plus a 1600 lumen boost are complemented with a red front light to protect night vision. It is further enhanced with a high colour rendering index, CRI, ideal for those that need to see colours more accurately. And it has a very clever light adjustment system within this tool, which will adjust to adapt to your environment. Thank you for joining us today for this product spotlight on the HF8R WORK Rechargeable Head Torch. If you would like any more information on this item, please do feel free to contact one of our members of staff and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you again for joining us. You have a productive day.